हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल बैक टू एवीकेस एकेडमी। एवीकेस एकेडमी में आप सभी का वापस स्वागत करता हूं। सो सीएपीएफ एग्जामिनेशन हो चुका है। पेपर 2 का एनालिसिस हम आज इस वीडियो में करेंगे। व्हाट शुड बी द आइडिया ऑफ पेपर 2 प्रेजेंटेशन, कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेकर के मैं आप सभी को समझाता हूं। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली somebody who have appear the whole paper by time, क्योंकि होता यह है कि पेपर में आपको पूरा 3 घंटे के अंदर आपको पूरा पेपर नहीं हो पाता है। बट इफ यू आर अल्टीमेटली सेटिस्फाइड that you are completed the entire paper, attended every section, ठीक है, from essay, argument, report, grammar, precise, comprehension वगैरह, if you have appeared the whole paper, entire paper, then absolutely there are huge chances of getting a meritorious score as such, ठीक है। अब कब appear कर पाओगे? Obviously when your paper 1 was good, when you feel our paper 1 was good, then only you would be in a position to attempt the entire paper 2. Okay guys, so in the year 2021 AVK's Academy have proven to be once again more and more successful in delivering, in giving to the students the promising content. हमारा जो पेपर 2 का बुक है, clear, we have our paper 2 book, we have our exclusive paper 2 courses, we have a test series. If you are engaged, if you are relying alone on AVKS, आप यदि सिर्फ और सिर्फ AVKS पे विश्वास करके आप अपना पेपर 2 का तैयारी ठीक करना चाहते हो, yes, it is proven once again in 2021 also we are the promising content delivers in terms of book also, in terms of course also, and also in the terms of test series. Clear guys? So most of the questions are from book also, at the same time the courses, at the same time from our test series as well. We are receiving a wonderful feedback and a wonderful poster and gesture of thankfulness from the students' end. We are really very much thankful for all the students all across the country for giving us such a numerous support and encouragement. With this spirit only, AVK's Academy will also be delivering the same promising and the reasonable content for 2022 एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो। हमारा जो ऑनलाइन प्रिपरेशन प्रोग्राम है, इट विल बी लॉन्च्ड फ्रॉम अगस्त 15, 2021 ऑनवर्ड्स, ठीक है। इसके लिए आपको हमारा ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा। डू डाउनलोड आवर मोबाइल ऐप टुडे इटसेल्फ। आज आप डाउनलोड करोगे तब we will be updating you about the entire information and the process of new online courses. आज ही हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी ज्वाइन करिएगा। CAPF 2022 प्रिपरेशन के बारे में जो कुछ भी आपको जरूरी होता है, whatever will be necessary and important for you, that will be delivered through our telegram channel itself. Clear all of you? Do join our telegram channel. Also download our mobile app AVK's Academy, जिनका डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको, जिनका जानकारी आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिख जाएगा और मिल भी जाएगा. Okay guys. So if you take an example of Chinese economic policy in the countries bordering India, somewhere in connect to this title also, we have given a title in our paper 2 book also. Clear? We have given few. See, हमारा क्या होता है? We are giving a title. After giving a title, what we do is we will be giving you the sample essay. ठीक है? Sample essay जो आपका UPSC CAPF के मिलता जुलता आपको दिखने के लिए मिलेगा 300 वर्ड्स का। फिर सैंपल एसे के बाद वी विल बी गिविंग यू सम एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द टाइटल, ठीक है। वॉट एवर द टाइटल वॉज आस्क्ड अबाउट द टाइटल, सर्टेन एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो वी विल बी गिविंग, और वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन, ठीक है। देन वी विल बी गिविंग यू सर्टेन पॉसिबल titles. We'll be giving you certain possible titles. So, kahin na kahin, maybe from additional, maybe from the title directly, maybe from the possible titles, we have written all the titles. Okay, I've given you, also sharing certain screenshots on video also. Getting this point very, very clear. So first of all, guys, if you are like, I hope, I don't know whether you are to the point or not, whether you are hitting the title properly or not, what UPSC usually expect is, you need to directly hit the title that is being asked. Alright. So, when I say Chinese economic policy in the countries that are bordering India, then I have already made it very clear in our video courses as well. If you are being more stressed upon the economic policy, then you would be covering up few points like dumping, which have got a greater impact in India. The Chinese goods are being manufactured and are being dumped in India. Okay, we have certain other corridors like CPEC, that is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. In fact, I'm not going to elaborate the entire essay for all of you because we will have to stick ourselves to the time constraint as well. यदि 2-3 घंटे का वीडियो हम बनाते हैं तो कोई नहीं देख पाते, ठीक है? इतना आप आराम करने का वक्त आ गया है, अभी इतना 2-3 घंटे का समय आप दे भी नहीं सकते हो, ठीक है? That's the reason. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Okay, all right. So certain infrastructure developments or the infrastructure projects that are being built by China within the borders, within its borders. Okay, you can also take the advantage or take the use of a certain organization like you might have heard about SCO, you might have heard about something called BRICS. Likewise, you can very easily mold yourself into the point as such. Okay, if you are covering up these dimensions, then probably I can expect that yes, you are into the box itself. Work from home, boon or bane. Okay, work from home, boon or bane. Again, see, when we speak about this particular point, we will have to critically analyze this particular title. Yani, we will have to give certain points in support and certain points in favor of the statement as well. Work from home, is it really becoming a helpful identity, or is it going to create a negativity as such? Okay, infrastructure wise, what are the difficulties that we are facing? Okay, technical issues, whatever the difficulties, family, love and affection. Okay, likewise, I think we have evaluated more than 1500 sheets this year also, nearly close by to 2000 sheets we have evaluated, and this question was very impressively written by the aspirants associated with Avicus Academy. Party politics in India is a flourishing family business. Again, something in connection to this we have already discussed in our previous video courses also. But if you are getting this particular title, I don't want you people to highlight the personality name. This is what one mistake I can expect from the aspirants. Okay, if you get the title, you will be remembering certain names like Akhilesh Yadav or Rahul Gandhi or somebody else. I don't want you people to highlight the name of the personality, rather the philosophical essence of the title has to be displayed. Are you getting this point? ठीक है, हमारा कहने का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पर कि आपको ये टाइटल यदि पूछा जाएगा तब किसी पर्सनालिटी का नाम बिना लेकर के आप अपने आप को आप प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. Getting the idea? ठीक है. So if you are not hitting any name of the personality, then I hope without using any name, if you are able to write this essay, then absolutely that will be a brilliant idea and a brilliant approach altogether. Unemployment and the new education policy, again it's a direct hit over from paper to book. Okay, no need to explain what is unemployment or how many types of unemployment are there, what are the Niti Aayog statistics in regard to this new education policy, what did Kasturirangan committee said, what is the lacuna in India, what is skill development and why we need skill development, why we need more corporates to come to India, all such stuff, everything you can add to this. Urbanization is hazardous to human health. Okay, we have given a similar title, urbanization in connection with the migration. Okay, human health and other. Again I have said from health one question will be पक्का. ठीक है, मैंने बोल दिया आप सभी से ना. ठीक है, from health sector one question will be definitely asked as such. ठीक है, urbanization is hazardous to human health. ठीक है. So if you get this particular title, again you will be very very comfortable in managing the points because of urbanization. Again the next impacts of urbanization, ठीक है. We will be leading to the pollution, we will be leading to the more about the transportation, more usage of water, ठीक है. That creates a water scarcity, ठीक है. Rural India will be neglected as such, ठीक है. If all this unemployment again creates, ठीक है, the poverty still persists, ठीक है. then इस तरह से आपको brainstorming करना होगा. If because of urbanization this happen, and yes it will be hazardous to the human health as such, ठीक है. Infiltrators are a threat to the India security. Again, infiltrators का मतलब somebody who come to the nation or come to the country India, then definitely we can actually connect it. Again, I have said in one of the very recent, ठीक है, just एक हफ्ते पहले का एक वीडियो बनाया था हमने. मैंने ये बोला था आपसे कि UPSC का आदत है to ask a question, not something ongoing now, but something which have already happened. So NRC, illegal migration and others, I have said it will be asked, and it was asked something in connection to the infiltrators, not alone Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan for that reason, but anywhere also, even Myanmar you can connect, even the country Bhutan you can, Nepal you can connect for that reason, ठीक है. So again, this was again a direct hit from my personal discussion with the students on a public platform, ठीक है. So what I have said is one nation one election, ठीक है. One nation one election can be a possible argument writing that can be asked in your examination. That yes, that was a direct hit again, ठीक है. Farmer protests are politically motivated. These two arguments, we can even quote these two arguments in our paper to book itself, ठीक है. If you can highlight or if you can look at the paper to argument titles, okay? We have given one nation one election directly also. At the same time, we have also given the farmer protest also directly. In fact, the same screenshot will be made available to you on the videos itself. Okay, guys. So this was already been discussed lots and lots of times, so I don't want to enter into this particular discussion more and more as such. Clear, guys? So हाँ, रिपोर्ट्स में थोड़ा सा आप सभी लोगों को अच्छा खासा इंप्रेशन लगेगा क्योंकि every report that was been asked, it is certain report which is or which can be connected with the contemporary issues, ठीक है. ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर क्राइसिस इन दिल्ली, ठीक है. इफ यू आर गुड एट द फॉर्मेट, ठीक है, आपका जो रिपोर्ट राइटिंग का जो फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए, if your report writing format is good, then ultimately I cannot deny the fact that your report writing definitely you can score somewhere around 3 to 4, and 3 to 4 will be a very comfortable score as such, ठीक है. Political violence in West Bengal, though this was only one report which we didn't hit, ठीक है. Either in our test series, ठीक है, हमारा कहीं पर भी हमने इसको जुड़ा नहीं था, ठीक है. Otherwise remaining all essay से लेकर के रिपोर्ट तक ये छोड़कर बाकी सब हमने कहीं ना कहीं we have related, maybe in our test series, maybe in our booklet, maybe in our courses or some other places as well. Clear all of you guys? So one thing first which you need to understand is that if I give you the format, okay, if I give you the sample argument or sample report or sample essay, then ultimately you would be in a position to assess or to judge yourself, okay. Because if I write a presentation, if I give you a presentation for this, that will ultimately be my own perspective or my personal point of view. Ultimately, my personal point of view is not to be taken into the prima facie consideration. Ultimately, all of your point of views will be taken into consideration by Union Public Service Commission. And they are the ultimate judges, not me. Okay. So, but I can definitely assure you that if you are feeling comfortable in getting around 90 marks also, 80 to 90 also, provided you have cleared the cutoff, provided you are getting clear the cutoff with very huge majority, ठीक है. majority मतलब 130 का यदि cutoff जाएगा, यदि आपका 150 भी 150 भी बन जाएगा ना, then ultimately इधर score थोड़ा सा कम भी हो जाए तो क्या दिक्कत, समझे बात को? इस तरह से आपको अपने आप को मिलते जुलते इस प्रिपरेशन में लेकर के आप सभी लोगों को आगे जाना चाहिए। गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट वेरी क्लियर? यस। सो AVKS एकेडमी एक 2-3 दिन के अंदर ही, यानी ऑन 15th of August 2021, ठीक है, इसी महीने में 1-2 दिन में, और we are coming up with the online learning program like every year we do, and इसको utilize करिएगा। Somebody who dream to become an assistant commandant, do join your hands, do join your hard work, to join your patience and dedication and determination with the best platforms of the country, because we are proven to be the rank creators, ठीक है। हो सकता है maybe certain other platforms may also be available with huge marketing, huge subscriber base and everything, but we are subject experts, ठीक है। We are all subject experts. We demand, or we presume, we predict the titles in accordance with the UPSC. We make books in accordance with UPSC. We make courses in accordance with UPSC. We make test series in accordance with the UPSC. So we are ultimately thinking somebody bigger than us is UPSC, nobody else, ठीक है। हमसे ऊपर एक ही है, वो यूपीएससी है। यूपीएससी का डायरेक्शन, यूपीएससी का ट्रेंड, यूपीएससी का प्रेडिक्शन वगैरह पकड़ते हुए हम अपने आप को, AVKS को बदल देते हैं, मोल्ड करते हैं। हमारा टीम को भी हम गाइड करते हैं। यहाँ पर हिस्ट्री से, इतिहास से, या इस साल एंशिएंट और मिडाइवल से सवाल ज़्यादा पूछा गया है, ठीक है। तो वी विल मेक आवर टीम मोल्ड according to the demand of Union Public Service Commission. Clear all of you guys? So I hope you will be getting associated with us very soon from 15th of August 2021 onwards. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Keep watching. Jai Hind.